Cardano holders, you're going to love this. We've got some really bullish news to talk about in this video, and it has to do with the stablecoin DJED surpassing a major multi-million milestone. This stablecoin has worked flawlessly to this point. We're going to dive into a little bit more details in this video, and ADA has been on a great uptrend here in April, and we're loving that. It's up 70+% here this year. And I know Cardano is always a slow mover, but you know what? I'm willing to wait because I love this ecosystem, love Charles Hoskinson and what he's building here. And this stable coin in particular, he might have found something that nobody else has ever found before. And this is working, and we're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button if at any time you get value, or if you just want to be a kind person and smash it right now, that would be great. And also subscribe to the channel when you see fit, but it would be great if you saw fit like right now. So subscribe right now and let's dive in. All right, so here we go. Check this out. Cardano's DJED stablecoin surpassing major milestone as it has recently hit an all-time high in circulation, guys. 4.24 million coins have been minted. This is according to the official website. Of course, this was developed by IOG. It's powered by Coty. DJED is an over-collateralized stablecoin backed by Cardano's native blockchain, blockchain token ADA, and it uses Shen as a reserve. So here's the key here. Over-collateralized stablecoin. They've done this to perfection to this point, guys. One of the most noteworthy aspects of DJED is its reserve ratio of 400%, which means its current circulating supply is backed by 4 times the amount of its outstanding coins. Nobody has come up with this proposition. This provides an extra layer of security to DJED, making it a more stable and reliable option for users. So technically, it's algorithmic, right? But it's not. The problem with Terra Luna's was it was algorithmic, but not over-collateralized. DJED and Charles Hoskinson and family over there, they learned from the mistakes now of some of these algorithmic stablecoins. DJED's current circulating supply is backed by 16.89 million DJED, which is equal to 38.7 million ADA. Interestingly enough, the unprecedented minting of DJED coincided with 2 other huge events. According to CoinMarketCap, DJED trading volume increased by more than 38% in the last 24 hours. Increased volumes in stablecoin trading were also seen earlier this month. Another interesting event was the growth of Coty quotations by more than 30% over the last 8 days. Another interesting event was the growth of Coty quotations. Again, oh, they just said that twice. Look at that. Hey, you guys wrote that twice. And again, Coty's the native token of the company of the same name that emits DJED, and its token's price has outperformed over the past few days. So essentially, DJED is working to perfection right now, and just maybe this is the way that you build an algorithmic stablecoin in the future. Maybe they crack the code. Maybe. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you want more crypto information, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.